Hey guys, we're here at Blizzard Beach, Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park, beautiful water park on this awesome day in December. And guess what? We're down here to ride a Proslide mat racer, which Ocean Oasis Water Park and Maurice Piers is getting for 2012. A great investment for us, and we're here to take it for a spin just to make sure it's the perfect ride for Maurice Piers. So come on and take a spin with us. For 2012, Maurice Piers and Ocean Oasis is getting a Proslide 6-lane mat racer like you see behind me. We're gonna go test it for a spin right now. Come on. Wipeout coming to Ocean Oasis in 2012.